Hey everyone, in this video we're going to go through how to find the volume of hemispheres. Okay, so a hemisphere might sound familiar to you. It's like the top half of Earth. Like you got the north hemisphere and the south hemisphere. So that's how you can remember that it's half of a sphere. Okay, you can find the volume of hemispheres by halving the volume of an entire sphere. So let's remember the volume of an entire sphere is 4/3 times pi r cubed, okay? But because we are working with hemispheres, we're going to times this formula by half. Okay, with fractions, what you need to do is you need to times the top and then times the bottom. So 4 times 1 is 4 and 3 times 2 is 6 pi r cubed. And then we'll simplify that fraction. So divide the top by 2 and divide the bottom by 2 is 3. Okay, so the formal formula for the volume of a hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cubed, or you could work it out in steps. So you could find the entire volume of the sphere and then half it later on. It's totally up to you what method you choose, and what formula that you'll remember when the question comes up. Okay, so for today, I'm going to show you both methods and we'll see how we go. Okay, so example, find the volume of each solid. So the first one, we've got a hemisphere with a radius of 1.3 meters. Okay, so let's write the formula. So we'll do two ways. So our formula for the volume of a hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cubed. That equals 2/3 pi times 1.3 cubed. Okay, let's put that in the calculator. Cubed. That equals 4.6101, etc. Let's round that to the nearest whole. That's going to be 5, and meters cubed is our units. Okay, so that's using the formula. If you don't remember the formula, you could always do it in 2 steps. You can do the volume of the whole sphere. Put 1.3 in there. 1.3 cubed equals, put that in the calculator, that's going to be 9.202, etc. And then half that. Okay, so divide that by 2. And you get the same answer, 4.601, which is 5 meters. Okay, so you can, 5 meters cubed. So you can use either method, it's totally up to you. Okay, in the next example, I'm just going to use the formula for the volume of a hemisphere of V equals 2/3 pi r cubed, just for simplicity, but it's up to you which method you use again. Okay, so in this one we need a radius, but we have a diameter. Okay, we have a diameter of 6. So we first need to find the radius by dividing the diameter by 2. Okay, so that equals 6 divided by 2, which equals 3 centimeters. Okay, so our radius in this case is 3 centimeters. We're going to substitute that in. So volume equals 2/3 times pi times 3 cubed. Okay, 2/3 times pi times 3 cubed. And that equals about 56.548, etc. And we're going to round that to the nearest whole. So that's going to be 57 centimeters cubed. Okay, if you have any questions, please go to the Jamboards and ask your questions there. Good luck.